thing that I did in NIT University was enroll myself in a lot of clubs, a lot of societies, so that not only do I work on my academic prospects, but also work on other fields and explore myself as an individual. So I took part in various fests, various events, various clubs, which include our Tech Fest Sinusoid, our Cultural Fest Ingenuity, and then currently I'm organizing TEDx NIT University, which happens to be one of the most prestigious events of the university. And it's also a global event. Apart from this, I'm a part of the Debate Society, the Art Club, amongst others. And currently I'm a teaching assistant in the field of educational technology, which is known as Center for Excellence in Educational Technology. And I'm working again in the field of research and project-based learning experiences, so as to ensure that the overall learning experience of students is very wholesome and is not just focused on bookish learning. I spent approximately 6 to 8 months in the offline mode, after which we took the online mode. So during the offline mode, obviously I was a part of TEDx and Sinusoid, which took place on campus. So I was working as a part of the PR team, the sponsorship team, and then again I was working as the creative volunteer. So I have an inclination towards art, which is something I actually picked up here itself, and I tried, working better in that field. And after that, we also had a proper exhibition as a part of Vividha, which happens to be our art club. So under the guidance of Vaishali Shinde ma'am, we had a proper exhibition which was attended not only by our fellow students, but also the leadership team and the professionals working at NIT Limited, which obviously boosts our confidence to a different level itself. And we also had an auction for our paintings, which was completely amazing, and it was an different experience altogether. And apart from this, I was part of the basketball team of the university. So we regularly go out for different competitions, and I think intra-university competitions also play a great role in our development, because we get to assess where we stand inside the university also. And we have different initiatives like Stud Corps also. So I happen to be the only female in the team of Stud Corps. So we have our own student-run eatery, which is called Tera Mera Point, which functions all night and delivers food to the hostels itself. So, and all the profits gained by Tera Mera Point is usually used to treat animals here, or we donate it out to the poor or the needy, which I think is an amazing purpose in itself. I think student life in general, I wouldn't say hectic would be a very strong word, but then again it's very occupying. I take out time for my academics also, but then again I feel these are also important aspects for my overall personal development. So I try and balance between the two properly, and I feel that the fact that they offer several clubs, for example clubs like Adventure Club or Gaming Club, these things are kind of required, but not every university does offer all these. So small things like taking students to a trek, and then we get to connect with nature. We have community connect and all these things. So not only do they help us, we don't know how important these things can be in our life unless we actually get into them and explore that. So I think that's a great initiative by the university. Talking about online education, the starting was obviously a bit rough. Then we got a vacation for about 2 months or so, after which the university came up with a proper platform for this, for online learning. And I think that was very seamless, that was very smooth. I did not have to actually face a lot of technical difficulties, and whatever did come up, I think that was handled greatly by the entire tech support staff. And my overall learning experience has been very fruitful. And I not only got a chance to work on myself by taking up different courses from the NUX portal, but also from the fact that I used to have all the recordings and everything. I can redo those lectures and everything, which I think is amazing. And also the assignments or the frequency of the same increased, which again was burdensome at some points, but then again it was only for my betterment. If I were to describe my NIT experience in 3 words, I would say it's very fruitful, it's wholesome, and it's been very exciting.